when any problems that may arise. 'Cause in his mind there can be no sense if you never criticize. So just keep on repeating all those empty I love yous until you realize you deserve better. I'm gonna lay right into you. Oh, you don't know what love is. You do as you're told. Just as a child at 10 might act, but you're far too old. You're not hopeless or helpless, and I hate to sound cold, but you don't know what love is. You don't know what love is, no. You don't know what love is, no. You just do as you're told.